Think you need thousands of dollars to start a business? Think again. You ready to hustle? You with me? Today I'm showing you exactly how to start an online business with $0. That's right, zero. No funding, no inventory, no excuses. Whether you're a student drowning in debt, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone tired of the soul-crushing 9-to-5, this is your beginner's guide to launching a real money-making online business from scratch. We're talking side hustle to CEO, baby. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, building something real, and taking control of your future. So buckle up because we're diving in head first. All right, entrepreneurs, let's kick things off by choosing your weapon of choice. Your business model, that is. Don't worry, you don't need an MBA for this. We're keeping it lean, mean, and profitable. First up, we've got service-based freelancing. This is for all you doers, creators, and problem solvers. Got a skill you can monetize? Writing, design, coaching, social media? Boom! You're in business. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is all about leveraging your network and influence. Find a product you love, recommend it to your audience, and earn a commission on every sale. It's like being a digital influencer but getting paid. And last but not least, we have content creation. This is for all you storytellers, entertainers, and educators out there. Build an audience around your passion, whether it's gaming, cooking, or teaching the world how to code and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or even your own products. The best part? You can start any of these businesses with just an internet connection and that fire in your belly. No fancy equipment, no office space, just pure hustle and determination. Listen up, because this is crucial. You can't be everything to everyone. You need to niche down and dominate. That means finding your tribe, your people, the ones who resonate with your message and can't wait to throw money at you. Think about it. Are you going to be the next big fitness influencer? Cool, but are you targeting busy moms, college athletes, or corporate warriors looking to ditch the dad bod? See the difference? Maybe you're a freelance designer? Awesome. Are you the go-to for minimalist logos, vibrant social media graphics, or website makeovers that would make even Steve Jobs jealous? Get specific. Become the king or queen of your niche. Dominate that space. Don't try to be a jack of all trades because that's a surefire way to end up a master of none. Now let's talk tools, and guess what? You don't need to spend a dime. We're building this empire on a shoestring budget. For websites, we've got Card.co for stunning one-page sites, or WordPress.com for something more robust. Both free and easy to use. Email marketing, crucial. MailerLite and ConvertKit have got your back with their free plans. Start building that list from day one. Design got you feeling lost? Canva is your new best friend. Logos, social media posts, even YouTube thumbnails, Canva can handle it all. And for staying organized, because let's be real, you're about to be busy, we've got Notion, Trello, and good old Google Sheets. All free, all powerful. Finally, let's talk money. PayPal, Stripe, and Gumroad make it easy to get paid. No need for fancy merchant accounts or complicated setups, see? Everything you need is right at your fingertips. No more excuses. Chapter 4, From Zero to One, Finding Your First Paying Customers. All right, you've got your business model, you've niched down, you've got your tools. Now it's time to find some customers. And no, we're not throwing money at Facebook ads just yet. First up, cold outreach. This is all about putting yourself out there, even if it feels uncomfortable. It's a crucial step in building your client base. Reach out to potential clients, show them the value you bring, and don't be afraid to ask for the sale. Next, content is king. Start creating valuable content that showcases your expertise and attracts your ideal clients. Blog posts, social media updates, videos, whatever it takes to get noticed. Consistency is key here. And don't underestimate the power of community. Join Facebook groups, online forums, and industry events. Network, engage, and build relationships. These connections can be invaluable. You never know where your next client will come from. The key here is to provide value, build trust, and be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful business. Stay committed and keep pushing forward. Chapter 5. Scaling smart, growing your business without spending a dime. You've got some clients, the money is coming in, now it's time to scale your business to new heights. But hold on, we're still not reaching for our wallets. No need to spend extra money just yet. We're going to scale smart, using strategies that maximize efficiency. First, can you turn your services into group offerings or even digital products? Think workshops, courses, or ebooks. This allows you to help more people and generate more revenue without increasing your workload exponentially. Next, automation is your best friend in this journey. Use tools like Zapier or IFTTT to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Don't let any content go to waste. Every piece of content is valuable. Repurpose your blog posts into social media updates, videos, even email sequences. The possibilities are endless. Get the most mileage out of every piece of content you create. Make it work for you. And finally, leverage the power of referrals and testimonials. They are incredibly powerful. Happy clients are your best salespeople. Their word of mouth can be invaluable. Ask for referrals, incentivize them, and watch your business grow organically. The results will speak for themselves. Chapter 6. Don't fall for the trap, avoiding common business pitfalls. Alright, entrepreneurs, you're almost there. But before you go out and conquer the world, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. First up, perfectionism. It's the enemy of progress. Don't wait until everything is perfect to launch. Get your business out there, get feedback, and iterate along the way. Next, analysis paralysis. Don't get bogged down in trying to learn everything before you start. Take action, make mistakes, and learn from them. That's how you grow. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your own successes. And finally, the biggest pitfall of all, quitting too soon. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and resilience. Don't give up when things get tough. Push through the challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Start building your empire. You now have the blueprint. No more excuses. If you've got time, Wi-Fi, and hunger to build something real, you can start today. This is your sign, your moment. Don't let it pass you by. Drop in the comments what kind of business you're starting. Let's build a community of hustlers and dreamers. Let's support each other, push each other, and make some serious noise in the online world. Like, if this helped you, subscribe for more no-fluff business guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.